Oh my gosh, guys, get ready to experience a crazy world. I'm going to open up Monopoly Go and show you guys. I have unlimited money in dice rolls, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it too. So let me just go ahead and go over to the shop and show you guys. As you can see, what the heck, look at that, guys. They're going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and max out, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. As you can see, look at that, guys. What the heck? So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So the first step is to go to this website, unlimitedrolls.com. So let me just type that in right here, unlimitedrolls.com. So once you're on this site, guys, you can go ahead and get unlimited money and dice rolls. So basically, you get to choose how much you want to add. I like to go for the max because I'm greedy like that, you know. So next up, we're just going to go ahead and enter our username and our platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. So I'm just going to type in my username, and so we'll press generate, and now it is generating, guys. So just be patient. This should be pretty fast. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second here. As you guys can see, all right, and now we have to do verification. So this is the final step. It's really simple, guys. We just need to download some apps, complete the instructions, and these are completely for free, and they're from the official app store. So let's go ahead and download some of these apps, all right? It's not hard. So I'm just going to download some of these, and then we should be good to go. So make sure you do like 2 of them. So I'm going to do Travel Town as the first one. It's going to take me to the app store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. And with these games, guys, if it says reach a certain level, make sure you do that because this is very important to do. So let me just download this right here, as you can see. All right. So anyway, now we're going to go back on the list of apps, download another app. You want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So anyways, let's go to the home screen, see if they're done. So the Travel Town is downloaded pretty much, so I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to do some basic interactions, you know, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just doing this right here, just playing around with it. But yeah, as I said, guys, if there is a level requirement, make sure you reach it. So I'm just going to do it right here. All right. So anyway, guys, I'm just going to run this right here for a little bit more, as you can see. All right, so I'm just doing this right here. All right, so just run this right here. So now I'm going to do the other app, which is Dice Dreams. This is another game, and I'm just going to go ahead and run it, just pressing around, doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. Same deal, guys. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to do this. So let's just go ahead and run this. All right. So yeah, it's super simple. So I'm just going to do this right here. So let me just run this right here. All right, so we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go ahead and see if we got the money and the dice rolls. So personally, I think it worked, but let's check. And oh my gosh, guys, they're going up like crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. Fully works, guys. I'll see you later, and peace out.